Come test drive the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, power tailgate, backup camera, power sliding rear window, push button start, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.